Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix iPhone apps keep crashing on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection and then there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's a connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then tap on general and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS 18. If you don't have updated version, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you still have this problem, then you have to make sure that your data time is correct and then background app refresh is turned on. If it is turned off, then you have to just simply turn it on and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you still have this problem, then you have to just simply go to your app store and check if there is an update available on your apps. Then you have to just simply update your apps from here. So guys, if there is an update available of your apps, then you have to just simply update your app and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until Apple logo appears. So guys, do this and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.